Hi everybody, it's Miss Soad, your technology coach for kindergarten through 3rd grade. This week I will be introducing the Freckle Summer Challenge to your students, and a few of them had mentioned that they were worried that we wouldn't know how to log in at home. So this video is to show you a few ways that you can easily log in at home to complete this challenge. This challenge is completely optional. Any student who participates more than 1 week will get a prize. Students who complete the entire challenge will get a much bigger prize. I'm not sure what it is at this point in time. A letter will be going home explaining how to log in and where to keep track of your data. Also going home is a slip of paper that has information with their username and password, as well as a QR code that they can use to log in. I'm going to show you a few ways you can log in, so let's get to it. One way that you can log in to Freckle is on your laptop. So I am just in Google Chrome right now, and the web address is www.freckle.com. I can go to the student sign-in page. From here I would bookmark it, but I'm going to type in my first name, my last name, that is given on the little login card that's attached to the information, as well as the password. Depending on what class you're in, depends on which password you have. Once you are logged in, the kids can decide if they are practicing math or English language arts. There are some pre-tests. If they haven't already finished those pre-tests, that's where they should start, and then they can get going. Remember, parents, this does need to be done independently, so the students are working at their level. Another way that you can log into Freckle is download it on a device. I'm using my iPad. The app is called Freckle Education. You can download it in the App Store. Once I open it, I'm going to log in as a student, and then I'm going to put that same username and password in these boxes. One thing you want to make sure that the students do is log out when they're done, especially if you have multiple children, so that they are always on their account. An additional way you can log into Freckle is using the QR code that was given to you in your login information. Unfortunately, you can't do this through Safari. You do have to use Chrome as your web browser instead. So we're going to open Chrome, and then we're going to go down to the part where it says have a QR code. We're going to click this, and you are actually going to take a picture of your QR code. So I'm going to hit the shutter button, and then press use photo. And then it'll log me in that way. Again, make sure the students log out when they're done. I hope this video was helpful in getting your students logged into Freckle. They can still use their old username and password to log in. They're all connected. The new password is just in case they lose their assignment notebook with their old password in it. Remember, students need to be completing these problems on their own. We are looking for their individual academic level. So if they get to a problem that they don't know how to solve, have them go to a different domain and practice something else instead. If you have any questions as the summer comes along, I'm going to put my email address down here. Feel free to email me anytime. Have a great summer.